Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best mouth mirror is probably one of the most underrated tools in your oral hygiene arsenal. These simple yet effective devices offer a clear view of those tricky-to-reach spots, helping you spot potential issues early on. Whether you're a dental professional or just someone keen on maintaining a healthy smile, a good mouth mirror can make all the difference in your daily oral care routine. Number 5. DenTek Professional Oral Care Kit. This complete set of dental tools is designed to help you achieve a professional level of oral hygiene at home. It includes everything you need for a thorough clean, helping you maintain a healthy and confident smile. The DenTek kit provides an advanced clean, helping to fight bad breath and even whiten your teeth. Using this kit regularly will leave your mouth feeling fresh and clean. The hard plastic scaler is perfect for daily use. It's designed to gently remove plaque, keeping your teeth clean and your mouth healthy. Use it regularly to maintain optimal oral hygiene. For a deeper clean, the kit includes medical-grade stainless steel picks and scalers. These tools are FDA approved and designed for weekly use to remove plaque, tartar, and food particles. The fog-free dental mirror allows you to easily see those hard-to-reach places in your mouth. This ensures you can clean every area thoroughly, promoting better oral health. The gum stimulator massages and stimulates your gums. This helps to promote healthy gum tissue, contributing to overall oral health and a brighter smile. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive approach to oral hygiene, including a fog-free mirror for clear visibility. It comes with multiple tools, making it a one-stop solution for your dental needs. If you are looking for a complete set to maintain your oral health at home, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The instruments are well made and sturdy. Great to complement your oral hygiene between dentist appointments. The mirror doesn't fog up unlike many other brands. Number 4. FFRESISS LED Dental Mirror. Introducing the FFRESISS LED Dental Mirror. This handy tool is designed to help you keep your oral health in check. It's perfect for at-home teeth inspections. The mirror features an extra bright LED light. This helps you see those hard-to-reach areas with ease. It makes checking your teeth a breeze. This mirror also has an anti-fog feature, providing clear views every time. You won't have to worry about the mirror fogging up while you use it. It comes with a comfortable molded handle and is reusable after sterilization. Remember to use it for one person only to prevent cross-infection. Before using, tear off the film and pull the paper out. Regular use can help prevent periodontal disease and maintain your oral health. It's a simple yet effective tool. What we like? This mirror features an extra bright LED light, making it easier to inspect hard-to-see areas. The anti-fog feature ensures a clear view, enhancing its usability. If you need a mirror with enhanced visibility and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. This tool has necessary features that actually work too: a bright light, the mirror doesn't fog, can easily see the back of the very back teeth, a button that allows the light to stay on, or the option to only turn the light on it when you desire. The mirror quality is excellent, you can see whatever is you need to see. Nice product with a no-fog mirror, batteries included, which is nice. LED is bright. Number 3. Dental Mirror Number 5 with stainless steel handle. This dental mirror is designed to help you see those hard-to-reach areas in your mouth. Made with durable stainless steel, it's a reliable tool for your dental hygiene routine. With a total length of 6.5 inches, this mirror provides the perfect reach. The compact design makes it easy to handle and maneuver within your mouth. The mirror has a 22 mm diameter, offering a clear view of your teeth. This size is ideal for detailed inspections and ensures you don't miss anything. Crafted from stainless steel, this mirror is built to last. It's sturdy, wear-resistant, and designed for repeated use, making it a valuable addition to your dental care kit. The knurled handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. This feature ensures that you have full control while examining your teeth, making the process easier. This mirror allows you to view areas that are normally difficult to see. It helps you inspect the back, under, inside, and outside areas of your teeth effectively. What we like? Made of stainless steel, this mirror is durable and sturdy, ensuring long-lasting use. The knurled handle provides a secure grip, enhancing control and precision. If you like a simple, reliable, and easy-to-use mirror, this is a great option. What people say. Works great. This is a good mirror to use if you want to see the inside of your mouth. It is made of quality material and the mirror is not plastic as some are. Number 2. Dental mirror stainless steel with handle 6.5. This dental mirror is designed with a 45-degree angle for easy observation of your eyelashes and hard-to-see areas of your teeth. The non-slip handle ensures accuracy and comfort during use. The mirror is encased in corrosion-resistant stainless steel, and the handle is made of surgical-grade stainless steel. This ensures durability and safety for long-term use. Regularly checking your teeth with this tool can help prevent periodontal disease. It's a practical oral care tool to maintain your oral health. Besides dental use, it's also useful for inspecting vehicles, electronic devices, and more. Its compact size makes it portable and easy to handle. We prioritize customer satisfaction. If you're not happy with it, contact us within 180 days for a refund. We are here to help you. The package includes 2 mirrors, each measuring about 6.3 by 0.8 inches. Its small size makes it compact and portable, perfect for holding and using. What we like. This mirror is made of high-quality stainless steel and features a 45-degree angle for better viewing. The non-slip handle ensures accuracy and comfort during use. If you are looking for a mirror that offers both functionality and convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. They are very strong and work great. Good mirror and size for a 5-year-old's mouth. Nice handle, clear glass. Number 1. A 2-Zillab stainless steel dental cleaning kit. Introducing a professional dental cleaning kit. This set includes all the tools you need to maintain excellent oral hygiene from the comfort of your home. Made from surgical grade 304 stainless steel, this kit is built to last. The tools are sturdy, rust-proof, and completely safe for use. This kit effectively removes tartar and stains. Use it regularly to keep your teeth clean and healthy, just like a dentist would. The tools feature unique carved handles for a secure grip. The sharp dental pick is safely covered, ensuring ease of use without any risk of injury. This dental kit is perfect for adults, kids, and even your pets. It's easy to clean and sterilize, making it a versatile addition to your oral care routine. The kit includes a dental mirror, probe, tartar scraper, and scraping spoon. It comes in a hygienic box, providing everything you need for a thorough clean. What we like. This set includes a dental mirror, probe, scraper, and spoon, all made from high-quality stainless steel. The carved handle ensures easier use, and the sharp dental pick is safely covered. If you want a comprehensive set of tools for effective plaque removal, you should choose this. What people say. The overall construction is solid metal, no complaints at all, maybe dental quality it's so solid. It is clear, not warped, can clearly see what you are trying to look at. This performed perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.